Teka, ano pa bang mga side quest? The pillars, ano to? Locate the entrance to the path of Huracan. Okay, ito mo nang kay Kulkoy. Ayaw nga pala, ito pala yung hinahanap ko kanina. Kaya ako napadpad dito sa ano. Kulkoy, nasan ka na? Ayun! So, paano ako makakarating dyan? Ito ayan! Okay, I think I found it. And may relic pa. Kulkoy, nasan ka na? Ay! Lagusan pala to dun. Okay. Sabi na, nandun yung sa may... Nandito yung sa may, ano eh. Papuntang tomb. And nagbukas na din tong lagusan na to. Ano kaya meron dito? Yan! Some gold! Parang gusto ko na tuloy bumalik sa market. Saan? Ay, tako. Kalki!
Nalkol kitang kalkap titlulakabo, maiko kilkachuabalam katun, tuitsakting takin, bishing waliguama.
Unah kachil poma, ukilic kuna sa kilkukulhet sa bawal kila. Beyo heluchay kutsilil, kukimes bil letsulul makobo. Ilesh, letsulul kol kukashtik, kukulkan.
Esh, kimeshesh, makapel, oltikesh.
Beitalimwo que si kimbay.
Ako, sino yung pinatay nila? Potek.
Beitalimwo que si kimbay.
Ah, putik. Wait lang ah. Tumakas, anong ginagawa mo? Tabi dyan. Nalaglag ka na. Nadulas ka na. Bakit walang combat music? Lah, ano yun?
Beyo heluchay kutsilil, kukulkan.
Ang galing. Yan pala yung dulot nun. Oh my god. Gaano sila karami? Uy! Ang ginagawa nun? Umikot. Pot. Kainis, may armor sila. Ito na may headshot. Gagi, isang ko tinamaan dun.
Batabaesh, Lakesh. Koshkash ilikwala ilitijantelo.
Wait lang. Wala mo naman kung bag... Time first. Wala pa akong palaso. Lumaban kayo ng patas. Yan. Nasave nga ba natin? Parang may pinatay sila kanina eh. Ayan, nice. May pera. Okay, kailangan ko yan. Kinukupitan yung mga nakalaban. Okay, nasa na si Kulkuy? Okay na? Okay na nga. Saan kaya si Kulkuy? Ito? Yan ata yun eh. Ba yan? Hindi naman natin naligtas. Okay. Tapos na yan. And saan na ba yung isa pang quest? Parang DLC quest siya eh. Oh, layo ah. Okay, tatahakin natin yan. Pero dadaan muna ako sa mga market. Mga market. Magsha-shopping. Let's go! Dahil marami tayong pera. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano. Kung gaano karaming gold na ba yung nakolekt ako. Saan ba ako pwede mag-fast travel? Ay, ayan! Meron pala malapit sa ano eh. Sa mga market. Maglalakad pa ako. Ayan, let's go! Ang dami palang skill. Yan! Para makamura tayo. Ayan. Skill na ginagawang barat si Lara. Nang babarat ng mga merchant. Ayan, ito.
Hi. Match kabitich.
Uy, bago to ah.
Bokhljano me yakitich.
Kailangan ko siguro maraming ganito.
Hashmalo ba hasta yeya hinishetay. Bokhljano me yakitich.
Ay, sell pala, sell. Pota. Hindi ko nang masell yun ah.
Mandats timpatik in cash.
Konti na nga lang isi-sell ko pa. Kailangan ko nga nun. Asan ba? Ayan! Teka.
I don't have enough space for that.
Okay.
Good day.
Yanguaba shoots the witch? Malo. Kela.
Ano to? Knife upgrade. Ooh!
Matu chukik ineshetail.
Okay. Wala daw akong pera. Mahirap daw ako.
Yum silobe utsob et etel. Kela.
Fat.
Yum silobe utsob et etel.
Powder.
Malo.
Dami ko naman kasing napupulot na ganito eh.
Kela. Malo.
Yan! Oh well. Tara na. Uy, mukhang malapit na ako dun sa ano. Spot ng quest. Ayan! Jade ore. Nice. Okay, mukhang sa taas yun. Sabi na pwede ko yung kapitan eh. You're about to enter this tomb. Let me see. Okay, yes ma'am. Pasukin ang tomb na yan. Pasukin ang tumbong. Oh, wow. Napaka-dark ha. Saan yun? May mural eh. Wait, what? Pwede ba ako bumaba dito? Ay, hindi pala. Okay. May alternate path pala. Pinatay ko lang si Lara eh. Pero magbaril? Ay, bawal. Baka magambala ko yung mga ninuno nila kapag gumamit ako ng baril. Tiyara. Pero parang similar to sa isang nadaanan. Ano yan? Ba't nagra-rappel ka? Abot ba to? Yan. It's me. Wait, saan ba? Kala ko bababa dun sa pinakaba. Dito lang pala. Oh my God. Okay. Yan. Ang ganda ng texture ng bato, parang ma-moist-moist. Napaka-realistic yun eh. Tapos parang siyang basa kasi ang ano, ang shiny niya. Ano nga ulit yung pinupuntan natin dito? Hindi ko na maalala. Wow. Kala ko magdadive eh.
Conquistadors. They explored further than I realized.
What? May camp dito? A document in Andres Lopez. What? May mga tao. May mga tao. Ano to? Ba't di ko pwede buksan to? Kainis. Kala ko relic na yun. Ano lang pala yung parang debris gano'n. Ano ba't ang lakas ng hangin dun?
The bridge might have fallen due to an earthquake.
Oh my God! Okay, akala ko shag pa siya doon. Paano ko malalaman na hindi na mahangin? Parang pwede kong hilahin yun ah. Pero araw. My! How? How could you say? Uy, Chilamansi, hello. Welcome back. Anong nangyari? Teka nga. paano dumaan dito. Natutumba si Lara. Ayan. Ang gara. Wala naman ang hangin, pero tumba pa rin siya. Ano meron? Paano ba ito? Ayan! Nice, okay. Nakatawid din ako. Okay, pala tandaan ko yung yon. Let's go! Arle tsaka rayo. Uy! Umasa ako na sa rayo ah. Kasi kailangan ko yung ano. Gusto ko yung weapon niya tsaka yung C1. Oh my god! Ayan, nice. Ah, nakatawid din sa mahanging bridge na
They
yun.
couldn't get the door open, so they blasted through the ground.
What? Shenha daw, rerun. Charot. Ay, la, grabe, bumabagyo. Kaya pala
This might be
mahangin
the
din.
Shrine of Sharks.
Okay, so, paano nga ba?
Hope this path leads to the temple.
Grabe naman kasi itong dinadaanan ko. Ah! Yan, lower. Ayan, pwede na siguro. Ay, hindi abot! Ayun! Mag-grapple pala ako, kaya pala hindi na naabot. Ang tinding climbing to. Napaka nakakatakot kapag maulan kasi, diba? Mahangin. Madulas yung bato. Tingnan ko bumabalik to. Tama ba? Hindi ba? Wala, mali ata. Ganyan, dapat gitna lang yan. Hala, hindi abot! Ayan, sakto na ata yan. Abutin mo, Lara. Nice! Ayan. Uy! Tinamaan ang kidlat. No, si Arlecchino naman yung ano, yung magre-rerun. Parang medyo bet ko equal, pero wala akong ano niyan. Wala akong Primo Gems niyan. So, wag na lang siguro. Pero kung Risley man yan talaga, ay nako. Wala nang sat-sat pa. C1R1 agad. Ganon. Parang maraming kuda. Pull agad. Pagka-ipon 160, pull agad. Ganon. Gagawin ko dun. Ah! Gaga. Ay, wow, napaka. Ah, okay. Para cover niya lahat yung ano. Ay! Hindi siya tumatag. Ay! Putik! Kailangan ko bilisan. Tara na agad.
The wind has whittled these structures for centuries.
Ito ata yung sasabayan ko. Oo nga. Ay, puchat! Mali! Ano to? Ano meron dito? Ah, puchat! Gumagano kapag humahangin. I forgot about. Okay, ayan. Gumagalaw ka pa? Ay! Ay! Naputol! Ay, bilisan na. Hala!
Could this be Shark's lightning axe?
Putik! Bakit ganun yung lakad niya?
The wind has whittled these structures for centuries.
Ah, okay, doon pala yun. Wait, what? Parang dyan ba yan? Wait lang. Ay, hilahin lang ko eh. What? Oh, okay. Nagets ko na. Padaan. Ayan. And then, para saan kaya to? Patuloy na natin to. Oh, nag-i-snap siya. Wait. Do I have... Oh, okay. So, ihilahin muna natin siya dito. Then, hintayin natin bumukas. And then, ayan. Pero may na siya nakabukas. Ganon! Ano ba? Nasa loob na ba tayong temple? Ayan na nga,
The
ito na
shield
nga.
is gone.
What?
Jonah,
Lara, what is it?
put Koryanka on. Koryanka, the shield's been taken.
Then Amaru has it already. He wouldn't risk bringing it back into the city. It must be even deeper within the mountain.
All right, I'll go after it.
Yung kampo ni Amaru yung kumuha doon. Then there's somewhere inside the city? Or... Nice! 1,000 eyes. Survival instincts stay active when moving through tree canopies. Ooh, astig. Gusto ko yun. Ah, shit! Napaka-tridor naman nung ano. Kidlat.
Shit, that was too close.
Yes, ma'am. Putik! Ay, ang ganda ng design, oh. Ayan! Umabot. Bunga nga pala siya. Ang galing. Ano yun? Bakit may pula? Wait. Check ko muna kung anong pwedeng makolekta dito. Anong mga anik-anik dito. Okay, wala. Puro mga guho lang. Okay. Ah! Gagi. Yaz. Okay, nasan na ako? Dilim nito, ah. Mukhang magsiswing ako. Ay! Tama ba? You have to swing? Kala ko di na maaabot eh. Most of the time, lagi talagang akala ko malayo siya. Palaabot naman pala. Medyo mag-struggle nga lang si Lara kumapit. Anto, ba't parang may cutscene?
Ubel chakikale pechakdap tumenik shulil kolel. Matushanta lukuchul lake shkebano.
Asan sila? Teka lang, may mural. Kailangan natin daanan lahat ng mural dito dahil language proficiency. Baka magalit si Duolingo. Okay, hold on. Baka may... Sabi na may mapupulot eh. Ano pa? Saan pa? Ay! Hindi ko mahe-headshot to. May mga helmet kasi sila eh. Okay, ay, putik! Wait lang po, kalma lang po. Takti. Yan, binuksan nila yung ano, parang gate. Takti! Kulit nyo ah. Okay, kupitan natin sila lahat. Meron pa? Teka, mukhang namatay yung iba dun sa poison na. Mga steed. Ay, meron pa! Madami pa! Okay. Flame arrows na lang. Show yourself. Ano ka pala? Puchat.
There's a way in somewhere.
Taktika parang wala lang ah.
Has to be a way in.
So ako lang pala na stress, hindi ikaw, Lara. Parang wala lang sa'yo pumatay ng tao. Nasanay ka na. Diyos ko, 2 games ba naman yung ano eh. Nagkikinatay siya ng tao eh. Ano pa rin yung timer nung ano, laso. Okay, saan nga ba yung daanan na yan? Ayun ata sa taas.
Through there.
Nakita. Uy! Putik!
Mokkab jetel shotobot. Kimet
Bilisan mo mag-reload, madam. Sira ka ha. Ikaw headshot yun. Ba yan?
Need to take it slow.
Wait lang. Maya na yan. Ay, sorry. Amis maubos ng ano? Bala ng handgun ko. Wait, what? Saan ba ako galing? Ito ko galing, di ba? Ay, hindi. Ito pala. Ayan, nalito na ako.
Jonah, Koryanka was right. The cult moved the shield deeper into the mountain.
Koryanka, Laura found it.
The Agemaker's shield. I knew it was true.
It's beautiful.
Ay, putik.
Damn.
I'm being hunted.
Laura, what's wrong?
Someone's here.
Bumabak bello.
Hello. Putik. Lahat ng bala ko na ubos. Oh, bakit may mga shells dito na nakabuyang-yang? Wait, what? May laptop. Bakit may laptop dito? Ay,
I guess I have that
Watching
choice.
this.
Putsul mishete lukustal. Pateles, anteneshi.
ingay nyo ah.
Shit, there's more of them.
Dictum ben kinsilin. Tulpatu beita limwa kesikimbay.
Nagtataralsikan. Wait lang, nagre-reload ako.
Kimen.
Grabe yung shotgun eh. At saka ang galing, parang hindi siya malakas.
Keshukokol
Hindi siya
weyetel
malakas.
lepakalo.
Hindi siya maingay. Gabi.
Hoke sabatus.
Hoy, huwag mong tamaan yan. Oh, gagi. Okay, sweet. Oh my god, yan ang Trinity.
Shit.
Croft! This little cockroach just won't die. She's got the goddamn shield! Fucking shoot her!
Ano yun? Ano nangyari sa pa? Tumalbog. Check lang tumatalbog.
MCS le Akobo, Pati King Hanilik, Kachka, Hili King
Shit. Buhay ka pa?
Kulkan Kalantikon, Sokek Machik,
Ay,
Sile Kimen, Aberten Anta.
sige, hanapin niyo ako.
Stop shooting! Let me check it out.
Sige, lapit.
Rashan etela. Mishbal tela. Manach timwignal. Satantesh apilig awichesh.
Dami mong alam.
Better look at that.
Sige, lapit.
Man down! They won't get away with this.
Ayun mo. Ay, look! Ang dami!
Man down! I'll call it in. Need to search there.
Lapit. Lapit. Puta! Kita pa rin ako. Oh shit!
Send another team.
Teka. Mag-start ulit tayo. Okay, nasa na kayo? Kailangan ko pala ng ano, parang mud cover. Sige, lapit.
You can't hide for long.
Wala na ba? What the f... Ulit mo.
I hope that's all of them. May kulang talaga ako lagi sa bala ng baril. Wala kasing mapulog na ano. Hindi rin kasi siya makapag-craft ng ano. Mga bala. Uy! Kaya pala may laptop kanina. Dito pala yung buwisit at Trinity na yan. Asan ba yung daan? Teka, I just want to make sure that I've collected everything here. Hold on. What? Saan kaya to? Mountain Temple? Galing mo, may ano? Vulkan. Need to get back to the village.
Ayun na yun? Tapos na yun, ma'am? Yung wild area nito, parang ano, nare-remind talaga ako sa Monster Hunter World eh. Parang gusto ko tuloy ulit mag-grind dun. Kakasimula ko lang. But I haven't gotten that far. Just a few missions completed. naka-defender bow pa rin ako doon. Tsaka bowgun. Ganon. Ganong level ng bago. But anyways, di ko alam. Masyado na akong maraming nilalaro. Meron pa akong Rockman
Right.
Dive
I'm here.
offline. Rockman X Dive offline.
All full up. Can't carry anymore.
Madam Kalbo, nasa ka na? Ayan. Hello. Eto na, muntik na akong mamatay-matay sa
Lara, you
pinagkukuha
did
niyo.
it. The shield of the Age Maker. It's... What's wrong? It's the ritual. Sacrifice the weaving. No, not weaving. Destiny. And sacrifice.
Ang ganda ng tattoo niya, no?
It can also mean creation. The traditional interpretation is we all create destiny. It's just as I thought. Look, the symbol here. Ancestors. But couldn't that also mean imposters? Yes. That's what Amaru wants. Proof that anyone can create destiny. Not only the descendants of the first emperor. You're right. No one can ever see this. This truth would shake Unuratu's faith. It will jeopardize the entire rebellion.
That would only embolden Amaru's belief that he is the one destined to remake the world.
Lara, we have to destroy it.
There must be another way. But the truth wouldn't stay hidden forever. I think you're right.
Okay.
Together then. As sisters.
Together.
Sayang naman yung shield.
Despite this outcome, you showed great courage retrieving the shield.
Matutunaw ba
This
yun?
bow was given to me when I joined the Shorn Ones. Never take a step backwards in battle. That is the single oath we take. You did not take a step backwards in battle today, Lara. You have the heart of a Shorn One. And I would be honored if you would keep the bow.
Koryanka, this is... The honor is all mine. Thank you.
Yan.
Is that the shield? Yeah, I don't even want to know why you're burning that. I'm just glad you made it back.
Okay. Wag mo na alamin. Mahabang kwento. Ayan, dapat maganda tong bow na to ha. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, madam. Ay, may outfit pa! Okay, slay. Asa na yung shield na yun? Ayan! Ay, max yung rate of fire. Tama ba? Oath-taker's bow din siya. Pero... Wait, what? Magkaiba sila? What? Kasi pareho lang sila ng upgrade. Ito, max yung rate tsaka draw speed. Wait, what? Mas maganda ba to? Parang feeling ko, hindi Pero ang ganda ng itsura nila. Asan yung isang Oath-taker? Wait, what? Pareho lang? Pareho lang? Ano pinagkaiba? White yung dito. Kaya pinagluloko ko nito. Grabe yung pinagdaanan ni Lara doon. Tapos, ang ibang kulay lang. Ito yung binigay sa akin. Alam ko eh. Diba? In fairness, maganda rin yung puti. Pero ito muna tayo. Ooh, we can hide your corpses. Okay, yan na lang. Parang hindi ko na masyado kailangan yung ibang mga talent dito ay skill dito Isa pa ang side mission. Meron pa ulit. Saan? Ito. Hello.
Misha Wanil.
I told you that is not a toy. What is it? That's my new trophy. It was Amaru's most treasured possession. He wore it on a string around his neck, close to his heart.
but you found a way to steal it.
I had to. Do you know what it is?
It's a cipher wheel, a coded message.
Yes. And if Amaru goes to the trouble of putting a message in code, we have to know what that message is.
Let me try. Maybe the code leads to the place of the flooded underworld. In the Mayan cross, water comes from the south, and south is associated with the color yellow. Road, mountain, sky, east. That seems promising. Lining up the symbols has given me a possible location. Do these mean anything to you? Mountain road, sky road, east mountain.
Yes. Amaru and his family lived near the base of the eastern mountain while he was growing up,
So he would know the area very well.
making it the perfect place for him to hide something important.
I'll let you know what I find.
I'm looking forward to it.
Ay, nako. Baka naman kagaya na naman yung ano, kanina yung quest na to. Teka nga, iinom muna akong tubig. Okay. Isa mo ng quest. Quest ni... Yung kakwentuhan ni ni Jonah. Sungit naman nun. Hello!
Injum! Goten!
Minano sutu kilabash hela.
Are you Kabil? Uchu sent me for the kings.
Ubaka how? Utanil pachkintzilop? Jetele utsulbalop, sutasik le pachkintzilti.
Lamuch kilich kunesahilo, tuyohel tajo binjume, kupakik shiwo, kutsakan
Ay.
lo, tijumpelum, tutialintobe, katulak bisop, bele inae kohan.
That's terrible. Let me see if I can find your brother and get the herbs you need.
Nip olal,
Sira ulo. Nilason yung mga pananim nila. Klaseng kulto to. Nandito na tayo.
A herb thief. He must be very dangerous.
Behlai humpel okol, bale samale humpel kimesak,
That's quite a leap, don't you think?
hach haktak, awohel tikbash, gintuklike, malok kaik much, lemejen kisonova,
Salbahe ka.
tulakalo, awal wahesh jumil, bay, ujume kananil kan, bale le die ma.
Kukulkana alma
Ay.
uman mishmak.
Ay, ayun yung bata, oh. Grabe naman, pati ba naman bata? Madam, anong problema?
Bishabeli shik, galan le kuchil koonolo, jambash uchich.
I'm trying to help Kuali.
Why? Otsil kwali. Talwaye, tuyokla haipel shiutia luna. Sok kach ukate. Sok kach inguantike.
What happened?
Leh kananot te yan kach teelo. Tuyilak tulakal bish uchik. Keshka uyal guabashe. Mupakta lujalik mahahi. Bele, ya no ye salvo el sipil jetel.
Thank you.
Ah, dito pala nagnakaw yun. So, ninakaw pala niya. Akala ko bibilhin eh. Batang to. Makulit. Pero mas malala tong guard na to.
Okole unahu bota lusipil.
Ay, nako. Isa ka pa.
Hello there.
Ey, tech ishik, leit shulul kolele, masak?
Yes, it's nice to meet you.
Uy, hach malov, Jamil,
What sort of game are you boys playing?
mabashali, injume uah kananil kan, yumkin, tin chahu kilich chotov, ingwesti inetailov, jetil tujilach, shanach kanan chimali. Lepie uyohel, bashhel ubetik, tenim yum waka, uyohel, tincha, ushotobe, lebetiket tupulak te karnalot kakali.
Oh, let me see what I can do.
Kaya pala pwede tayo umakyat doon.
Ni bolal.
Okay. Ayan.
Ni bolal ishik.
You're welcome.
Patiki, lenukuchmako, telamantats, kutoholchintikonov, vale techetawanton, bashakati. Shit, Tenkintan. Pasagati kishik. Day.
Inulit mo lang.
Lupaktal. Ek antiket shane.
Ah,
I'm
okay.
trying to help
Bait naman
Kuali.
pala nito.
Shan chahech. Sot usot.
Wala, gagi.
Tialo kimesal. Mishbal ko paktal petik. Sole chimali. Lah kanano. Upek mech.
Hates you.
Would Chimali chase you if you provoked him?
Pastin.
Because if he's not at his post, I can get to Kuali.
Malo. Uts. Kupaktala wali tikwali. Kau jilon tiaktuno. Letie ujohel tushi. Telo minan sakven silil ti.
I will.
Ganesh. Asto. Raimi. Lakinteneshi. Samin kanant ekpachi. Tsoke. Shenesh alkabil tiaktuno. Patenet bach ishik. Jan ek ilik kapach chak akuchul tignal kwali. Chimali. Behengkisin. Palitsin kan sokol. Janin kakal loshikek. Dey, tol siya lumahipi mo
Gagi.
dyan.
Binato na ako.
Alkap Nanesh! Alkap Nanesh!
Nako, galingan nyo.
Alap olal. Chinchi walk.
Your brother told me of your troubles.
Message tet.
Someone who wants to help.
Mainkat kautu levalova. Cheninkat katok chakuyol ina.
Bait
Where
naman
are
ng
the
batang
herbs?
to.
Give them to me. I will heal your mother. Go. Your friends are waiting for you at the cave.
Malo. Shele shiwova. Alkap nen tukahilawol. Nibolal.
Yan, takbo! Baka, bago bumalik yun si ano, yung guard. Ayan, hello!
Tinwalaktech kashikech.
Kuali is safe and I have the herbs your wife needs.
Kachka? Talecha tsakek wayon? Ubag leachawo.
Here. This will help you.
Nibo olal ishik. Gabi. Mamehen shuri. Sale baktio.
Nah. Jeta chimpolal tilekung kuchula hawilo. Nibolal. Jolal tulagal.
Nibo olal.
Bait naman ng bata. Nakakatuwa yung mga bata pag nagpapasalamit, hinahag si Lara eh. Kagaya nung una, yung si Pablo, dun sa Kuwaki ako. Okay, nasa na yun? Ayan! Hello!
Last to leave and first to return. Jonah's stories of you are true.
The King's Horn, as requested.
Did Gabil give you any trouble?
You were right about his wife. She definitely had a way with his heart.
Thank you for this, Lara.
Of course. Uchu, what did you mean last to leave and first to return?
The men I have retrieving the other two items, they both left 3 days ago. Neither has returned.
Do you think something's happened to them?
Ay,
It's Quincy that concerns me the most. He's young, likes to take risks.
Jumps into the water before checking to see how deep it is. You know the type.
Jonah.
Jonah's right. That describes Quincy perfectly. I never should have sent Quincy to that damn place.
saan ba yun?
What place is that?
The old cistern. It's where the remains of Manco are kept hidden from the cult.
Ay, si
Who
Mangko.
is Manco?
He was a farmer who led Sairi and Amaru's ancestors out of Cusco to safety
Gara na
centuries
tunog ng
ago.
Mangko ah.
He is known as the peasant savior. It's his amulet we need for the coronation.
Why was Manco hidden away?
Manco's followers were known as the Order of the Peasant Savior. This rebellion was born from it. When the cult of Kukulkan first took power, they tried to wipe out the order. Manco was hidden away in a secret place and kept safe. But over time, as the order dwindled, the memory of that place has faded.
If you like, I could go look for Quenty.
You've done a lot already. Bringing back the King's Horn was a big gesture of friendship.
I don't mind, really. Maybe Quenty can show me the best cliffs to jump off.
Please don't encourage him. The entrance to the cistern is a cave above the white tree. Follow the trail. It'll lead you to it.
Okay. May kasunod pang quest to ah.